Today, the Hynñiewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization Hito Mylliem Circle had submitted a memorandum to the Superintendent of Police Traffic to complain against the untimely plying of overloaded trucks through the Upper Shillong Umshyrpi Road in East Khasi Hills, Shillong. Talking to media persons after the meeting with the SP, the president of Hito Mylliem Circle, Bonfil Marbanyang, said that the plying of these overloaded trucks have led to many road mishaps in the area since the route is full of curves and bends. On the other hand, the SP has denied his jurisdiction over such issues and informed that the matter falls under the Transport Department, added Marbanyang. He further informed that the organization will soon write to the Transport Department so the problem can be addressed at the earliest.
Transport Department te uang ba kami activity jangka traffic police ketika jangka transport department banle itu banle itu tendre ke balinggo ke basulinggo menta pakolong ba kumno ya ka fine part ya ka fine lada ki ibat college ka traffic department kan ya kalau kata ni kentu mo ya ka nakaleng ka police department kale elo kani kanom naka kanom ja shu kini ja naka passport kinja kumiki ban klaim kitrok le ban kan tang mata long school ka semjige na bat bai bar kumju kali kawan ta siwon